Hi, my name is Karthik Srinivasan, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Cornelis Networks. And I'm very excited to be joined by Oliver Tennert. He's the Director of HPC Marketing and Post-Sales from NEC. And we're both standing from International Supercomputing Cornelis booth. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Can you please introduce yourself for our audience?
Yeah, I mean, you've perfectly cited my job title. So at NEC, I'm responsible for the post-sales. That means all the workflow that starts with the installation and the delivery of the projects to the customer, including all the post-sales and then bringing the projects to an end, to a successful end.
What are you most excited about from Cornelis' CN5000?
Yeah, I mean, Cornelis and the CN5000 is a very huge advance in technology and a technology boost. And I think it's very important to have Cornelis as a very viable player in high-speed network technology for HPC. Customers value it very much. We are very happy with the support and with delivery and with the collaboration on a technical level, on a personal level. So all I can say is, working together with Cornelis is great.
Thank you, Oliver. Thank you very much for your time. CN5000 here today and in the future with our compelling roadmap and with NEC for our end users.